Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Complete Lower Service Rack Part #WD28X25960. The GE Complete Lower Service Rack Part #WD28X25960 is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, replacement part for GE dishwashers. This service rack is designed to fit the lower rack of a GE dishwasher and provides a convenient way to store dishes and other items. The rack features two adjustable tines that can be moved up or down to accommodate different sizes of dishes. It also has a built-in silverware basket that can be used to store utensils, as well as a cup shelf for cups and glasses. The rack is made from durable plastic and is easy to. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn out lower service rack in a dishwasher. It can help to fix issues such as dishes not being cleaned properly, dishes not drying properly, and water leaking from the dishwasher. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the GE Complete Lower Service Rack and all of its components. 2. Carefully read the installation instructions that come with the rack and make sure you have all of the necessary tools and hardware for installation. 3. Locate the mounting holes on the back of the dishwasher and align them with the holes in the service rack. 4. Securely attach the service rack to the dishwasher using screws or bolts, depending on what is provided with your model. 5. Place all of your dishes, silverware, and other items into their respective compartments in. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.